These are the 5 stages of a disc herniation that can cause sciatica. The spinal disc has two main parts. The outer ring, called the annulus, is tough and fibrous. The inner part, called the nucleus, is soft and compressible like thick jelly. First, a small area of weakness develops in the annulus. Think of it like a microscopic tear. This alone can cause pain. Next, the nucleus begins to push through that weak spot, causing the disc to bulge. If the nucleus continues to push through most, but not all, of the annulus, that's called a protrusion. The disc is now officially herniated. At this point, it can push on a nerve and cause sciatica. If the nucleus pushes further through all of the layers of the annulus, it's called an extrusion. This often makes the sciatica worse. The final stage is sequestration. When a part of the extruded disc breaks off completely and becomes like an island, it can migrate through the spinal canal and compress several nerves, causing severe sciatica. I'll put a link to my video about sciatica in the comments right over here.